1, 2, 3, 4. All my fantasies and na. What up, goofy goobers? Today on the, I was gonna say something else. Today we're gonna do an unboxing video of one of my favorite shoes. So skaters, get ready. Get yourself ready. Get your socks pulled up, and get your dogs and your longboards out, because we got something that's very exciting today. Not this one, that's next one. The Nike Ishod. So these are fire. Ishod Wair really did it on these ones. He really pulled it off. I got 10.5. You gotta size up for these. These are not true to size. And yeah, they're not true to size, so you're gonna have to size up. Oh, wait, I'm gonna do this before I forget. Don't judge me. And yeah, so we're looking at the Rattan Arctic Orange. This is an older colorway. I really did want it a long time ago, so you know, all things kind of come around full circle in the end, and you know, you get what you want sometimes. It works out in the end. So I don't know when I'm going to be rocking these, so you're going to have to stay tuned. You're going to have to like and subscribe, and I have other unboxing, 2 other colorways that I've already got unboxed, so check that out. I got this in the new haul video. You can check that out too. So yeah, it's popping off. Let's just get it. The season is here for skating. We're about to go outside right now. Maya, try and catch a little bit of that sunset left. Sunset's like getting later and later. Days are getting longer. More time for longboarding season. Woo! And I love how these are actually more like tan. I thought they're gonna be more white, but it's more of like a tan colorway, more like yellowy, like a yellower, like peachy tan to go with like this peach pink. And it is more of like a peachy. I thought it was more a bright pink, but it's still so fire. Yes, another beautiful colored add to the collection, and that removable React sole. You can just easily take it out. I'm struggling because the paper's in here. I'll take the paper out. I'm gonna be trying these on for you guys in a couple seconds. So yeah, it's got the removable. God. The only thing I don't like is how it's a print check. They should do an embroider check, like how they have on the toe. 2 giant embroider checks or something. That would be really fire. Just not the print. It's cracked up. You can't do stuff like that on a skate shoe. Or like something embossed like the Nike SB. Like that's not gonna come off. And the swirly woo grip on the bottom. It's made tactically pinpointed for where skaters need the best grip for skating. And so you can just take the React unit out, but then like you wouldn't want to really do that because it's the full sole. Like it's not just the React, it's the React. There is no like other kind of plain sole in there. I guess you could use just the plain sole, but especially if like you don't like the React and like the shoes too, and you have a gigantic foot, so you could do that if you wanted. Yes, see that pink? I guess that's the Rattan pink in Arctic orange. I thought it was Arctic pink. I think it's supposed to be Arctic pink. I think that's the color. I don't know, whatever. But I love how it's actually more of like a tan color to match with more stuff. And then you can see how it's actually more white. See, it's like off-white. See, that's like off-white, and then it's like tan, and then like the React area is white. The sole is like this translucent-y kind of gum color, which is kind of sick. And then it goes with that beautiful gum sole. Gum? Yeah. Did I call this gum? I'm mixing it all up. The pink tread. Yeah, so dope. Or Rattan or Arctic orange, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I call it pink. They got the colorways all like Nike. They couldn't handle Ishod's great design skills. They just randomly freaking chose colors that they don't even know what is going on. Nike just couldn't handle it, so they just like, oh, it's orange, but it's freaking, it's probably Arctic pink, in my opinion, not Arctic orange. With this Rattan color, I guess that's what this is called. So I thought it was more like white, and then, yeah, that blue. I love how the blue reacts. So this might actually be one of my favorites, just that blue, you know, it's speaking to me. It's like, Matthew, try me on, wear me right now, go skating. But no, later in the season, because I'm not trying to stain these up, I got to spray them and stuff too with the repellent water protector. You can see it's got that rubbery plastic mesh airflow lining. One skater I was talking to, like a professional skater, he's like, no, I don't really like that. And that's like, I'm like, whoa, but bro, that's like the airflow. That's like one of the main features. And it's like, but that's the thing. It's not flexible. It needs to be flexible because that's what makes it so tight and so stiff on the shoe. And it's got some, like, when I was relacing it, it's got some crazy lacing going through. Like, this little fabric covers the air a little bit and pulls through to add like extra lace locking, oh my god, I can't think of a word, extra lace durability. And there's some nice wheat laces. Super sick, super sick. I'm so excited to wear these. Let's try them on. I'll take both of them out to show you for now. What else do I want to say about them? I forget. I have another pair to unbox, so if I think of it, I'll just talk about it next time. See? If there is one trick, they put both. Wait. Oh, never mind. Never mind that. The Matty Ice way, tying way, always at the top notch, in and to come out, so that it's easier to tie and tighten and loosen and all that good stuff. Okay, let's go over to the station. It's windy over there. I left the windows open because it's hot. The season is really here all of a sudden. It was like snowing the other week, and now it's like, okay, 20-degree weather again. Let's go! Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, boom, boom. So sick. I don't know what else. Oh, wait, my station has freaking laundry all over it. Oh, shit. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna have to fix. Okay, let's try these on. We got this, like, oh, you can't tell me it's normal in the video, but it's like so dark and weird out there. Am I on? What's this weather about? Is it gonna rain? Yeah, so size warning. They are tight at the top because it's not very flexible. But still, there is a little bit of toe room, but still, I have a big fat foot. Flat and fat. They're perfect how it's like flat, and then that React adds that extra support for when you're like pushing along boarding. And these look so good. These look way better than I expected. I love when that happens. It's either it turns out way shittier than you expect, or way doper than you expect. So this time, got lucky because these are clean, bro. And they'll go with a bunch of stuff. Because I thought the other color was way different. Like, that was not... That was just not it before, you know? I despise you. There's more to life. Smoking cigarette. Do you remember when? Ooh, they feel so nice when they're new. That support on the bottom, it's actually there. But they're a bit stiff. They do loosen up a lot over time. So they do feel way tight at the beginning, but they will loosen up. So that's why you could even size down. I was even contemplating it. These checks need to get fixed. And then, like, I don't know. There is the leather model, though. So I'm still yet to try the premium leather model. That will be next on the checklist, is a premium model, maybe next year. Let's go, because now I got these, unless I see a premium model on sale. But yeah, that's about it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll do a preview as well.
I did like a face. I didn't wash by the mark. A loose.
I don't know why I can't sleep. Lurk till the birds chirp.
Is it struggling? Oh, it's a video. Whoops.